Hello students, welcome back in your English class. As you know, our chapter 8 tenses is going on. Today we continue with past perfect continuous tense. आज हम इसे कंटिन्यू करेंगे हमारे चैप्टर को पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस से. बिफोर दिस we have read about all the four types of present tense and simple past, past continuous, past perfect. Today we will discuss about past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used to express something that started in the past and continued until another time in the past. It means जो action past में start हुआ था, to show that action we use past perfect continuous tense and the action is continue until another time in the past. past के दूसरा जो टाइम था तब तक वो कंटिन्यू चला था, लगातार चल रहा था. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, they had been studying for several hours before the library closed. I had been waiting at the bus stop for an hour when the bus finally arrived. It means जो second action है, जब तक वो नहीं हुआ तब तक वही काम किया जा रहा था. मैं तब तक बस स्टॉप पर वेट कर रहा था 1 घंटे तक, जब तक कि फाइनली बस वहाँ नहीं पहुँच गई. यूज ऑफ पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. वेयर वी हैव टू यूज दिस टेंस, कहाँ हमें इस टेंस को यूज करना है? When we are unfolding something or telling a story in the simple past. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि जो स्टोरी लिखी जाती है वो पास्ट टेंस में लिखी जाती है. सो जब हम कोई चीज़ बता रहे हों या किसी कहानी को सिंपल पास्ट में सुना रहे हों, we use the past perfect continuous tense to talk about events or activities that were ongoing before then. तो हम जो समय चल रहा है उसमें जो एक्टिविटीज़ हुई थी उन्हें बताने के लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस का यूज़ करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अंकल डाइड ऑन मंडे, ही हैड बीन गेटिंग ग्रेजुअली वीकर. कि जो अंकल है वो मंडे को मर गए और वो धीरे धीरे वीक हो रहे थे ड्यू टू एनी डिजीज. वी हैड बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश इन दिस स्कूल फॉर 20 days. इस स्कूल में हम लास्ट 20 days से इंग्लिश सीख रहे थे. नाउ लेट्स सी द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस. इन अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस वी यूज सब्जेक्ट, हैड, देन बीन प्लस V1. इट मीन्स वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म, देन ING, देन ऑब्जेक्ट, सिंस एंड फॉर, then time, and after that full stop. And as I told you, since is used for point of time. exact time जहाँ दिया जाएगा वहाँ हम since का यूज़ करेंगे. and for is used for period of time. जो time period दिया जाएगा for that we use for. Examples, she had been studying for 2 hours last night. वो पिछली रात को 2 घंटे तक पढ़ रही थी. I had been walking in the park since yesterday morning. I had been writing a novel for 2 months. Now negative sentence. As you know, in negative sentence we have to put not. But here in past perfect continuous tense, we can see here are 2 helping verbs, had and been. So we have to put not between had and been. हमें दिख रहा है यहाँ 2 हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स है, had और been, तो हमें इन दोनों के बीच में not पुट करना है नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को बनाने के लिए. लेट्स सी द स्ट्रक्चर. सब्जेक्ट, देन had. आफ्टर had we put not. then been, verbs first form, then ING, then object, since, for, after that time, and then full stop. She had not been studying for 2 hours last night. I had not been walking in the park since yesterday morning. I had not been writing a novel for 2 months. Then interrogative sentence. The formula of interrogative sentence is we have to put had at the starting of the sentence, then subject, then been, verbs first form plus ing, then object. Since and for after that time, and we have to put question mark at the end of the sentence. Had she been studying for 2 hours last night? Had I been walking in the park since yesterday morning? Had I been writing a novel for 2 months? So dear student, this is the past perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the book exercise related to past tense. Let's see the book exercise. This exercise is given on page number 46 in your grammar book. Given below are 2 extracts from 2 different stories. Read them and underline different past tense form. It may be simple past, past continuous, or past perfect tense. It means here are 2 stanzas. We have to identify here simple past, past continuous and past perfect tense, and we have to underline also. The first extract is the thief. John was watching a wrestling match when I approached. As we can see, approached, this is the second form of verb that is used in simple past tense. So underline this. Him. He was about, and we can see was is again simple past tense, was about 20, a tall, lean fellow, and he looked. Looked is second form, so this is simple past tense. Underline it. Kind and simple enough for my purpose. I hadn't. Had. Here is the past perfect tense. Hadn't had much luck of late, and thought. Thought is second form, so this is simple past tense. I might be able to gain this young person's confidence. He seemed. Seemed is again second form. Quite fascinated by the wrestling. 2 old men slide. This is the second form, so underline it. About in the soft mud. Grunting and slapping their things. When I got is second form, simple past tense. John into conversation. He didn't seen. This is past perfect tense. To realize I was a stranger. Was is again past tense, so underline it. Second stanza, the luncheon. Luncheon का meaning होता है lunch. It is a formal word for lunch. I was is simple past. 20 years old and I was living in Paris. Again was is past tense. I had a tiny apartment. Had is again simple past tense. Apartment in the Latin Quarter overlooking a cemetery, and I was earning. Was earning. This is past continuous. Barely enough money to keep my body and soul together. She had read. Had read is the past perfect tense. Had a book of mine and had written. Had written again past perfect tense to me about it. I answered. Answered is the second form, so simple past. And presently I received. Received is simple past. From her another letter saying that she was passing. This is past continuous tense. Through Paris and would like to have a chat with me. But her time was limited. And the only free moment she had was on the following Thursday. She was spending, we have to underline, the morning at Luxembourg. Should I give her a little luncheon at Fartos afterwards? You have to underline all these things that show past tense. Now let's see the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense. We have to mention in these blanks past continuous tense. And as we know, in past continuous tense, we use was and were as a helping verb, then verb's first form plus ing. With singular subject, we use was. जो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट होगा उसके साथ हम वॉज का यूज करेंगे और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ हमें वर का यूज करना है और हमें पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस से इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. लेट्स स्टार्ट. शी हर होमवर्क व्हेन आई कॉल्ड हर. एज वी कैन सी, she is singular subject, so we put here was, and this is continuous tense, so we have to write ing form of verb. So we write here was doing. Children, as we can see, children is plural, we put here were. And playing, the child ready for the school, and we have to mention get. So the child was getting. The train was going at full speed, because train is singular, so we put here was, and ing form of go is going. They, we can see they is plural, we write here they were. And waiting for the result. The mob, this is the collective noun, mob collective noun hai, so we put here was, because with collective noun we use singular subject. We know collective nouns as a singular subject, so we put here was. The mob was shouting. The girls were performing Kathak on the stage. The dentist was examining my teeth. The train was passing through the tunnel. The boys were laying under the bed. Now exercise C. The passages below describe an accident. नीचे जो पैसेज दिया गया है वहाँ इसमें एक एक्सीडेंट के बारे में बताया गया है. Fill in the blanks using correct form of the verbs given in the bracket. Use simple past and past continuous. We have to mention simple past and past continuous tense in these blanks. So let's start. An accident, second form of verb took. It means we have to mention here simple past. An accident took place near the bus stand at 4 PM yesterday. क्योंकि हम लास्ट डे की बात कर रहे हैं, so we put here took. I was going to my friend's place. A girl on an Activa took a wrong turn. I was behind her but I lost control. कि एक्टिवा से गर्ल जा रही थी, मैं उसके पीछे जा रहा था. जो गर्ल है उसने रॉन्ग टर्न लिया, मतलब गलत तरफ मुड़ गई वो, और मैंने अपना जो कंट्रोल है वो खो दिया. माई बाईसाइकिल एंड आई फेल डाउन. मेरी साइकिल और मैं दोनों गिर गए. When I was trying to get up, जब मैं उठने की कोशिश कर रहा था, I saw a truck coming at a great speed. मैंने देखा कि एक ट्रक बहुत ही तेज स्पीड से मेरी तरफ आ रहा था. Before I could realize what was happening, it knocked the girl down and sped away. इससे पहले कि मैं कुछ समझ पाता, मैंने देखा कि जो ट्रक है उसने गर्ल को टक्कर मार दी है बहुत ही तेजी से. द गर्ल वॉज वियरिंग अ हेलमेट, देयरफॉर इन स्पाइट ऑफ सीरियस इंजरी शी वॉज सेफ. गर्ल ने हेलमेट पहना हुआ था, इसलिए उसको कोई सीरियस इंजरी नहीं हुई और वो बच गई.